Nunavut, which means our land in Inuit language, has been a home of Inuit descent for thousands of years. Inuit 80% tamani nunalit. Inuktut ukausivut pimmarealovok uvattinnon. Inuluta ilekosivutana nunakatigin nitinni ilagi kalawakata ilagi tito ilekosakasungu yugut ikayoktigi sungu yugut ilagi tutitut ammalo nunamo attuallagittugun nuna nekakapigi yabut ammalo annokakapigi logo tungavigitiatavo nuna inuluta. Our language Inuktut is an oral history. It has lived through many generations through stories and songs. Isumalo tige katataka Inuit ukausinga ilanginno asiyo valema. Inuktut ukausik atoktugo ukausirillugo attua kattautitiana masawiyanga tukisiana tunilo itinusakut ilekosivu pityutigillugo tamani inuino nanganni.
Microsoft has taken the time to invest in the government of Nunavut to understand what our needs are and to really focus and help us prioritize and work with us. They're as committed to us being successful as we are, and by we I mean GN employees. Not only do they work side by side with us, but often they will take the lead and guide us. The Inuit culture is really, it's really strong. There's a lot of elders here. Inuktut is their primary language and they don't understand English, so this gives a real opportunity for communication with elders to increase. There's such a value into preserving the language into technology that there's no words to explain exactly how much this is going to mean to the culture.
Inuktut pimmareuvut. Inuktut ilinnertitsinasupparpunga inniusikkut.
Ma nakakasao yatigot ilinnia kattarunnaleratta ammalo katinga kattarunnalortatatana akaugutigillarittanga inulluta nunaqatigiinnata qangatasukkukkisiani upaqattautigamnaqattatilluta Huvianattu Microsoft ku saqqitittivalliammata qarasao yakkut Inuit uqausingani